Githiururukirie uteti wa kuumbwo kwa ngwataniro ya Azimio OKA nikioete mwerekera mweru riu thutha wa mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kururumura weru ndereti ya ngirimiti iria mekiraniire na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga hindi ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2017. Kuringana na ngirimiti no iria yabatie guthie nginyagia githurano-ini kia mwaka uyu, Raila abatie kurirukia bendera ya ngwataniro ya NASA kuhuranira upresident mwaka wa 2017 na angiatungatira itena rimwe tu angikorwo ni mahotire, nake Kalonzo abatie gukorwo akirirukia bendera ya upresident githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2022 na riu Kalonzo ehandite ati ngirimiti no ninginyagia ithingatwo angikorwo atongoria ya eri ni makurutithania wira githurano-ini kinene rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio OKA.
I would be a fool to support Honorable Raila Odinga a third time without a measure of reciprocity. Reducible minimum ni kwamba my brother Raila Odinga, by honoring this document, will pronounce his brother the flag bearer for Azimio OKA.
Ndereti ya ngirimiti no ironekana gwithegea muno thutha wa micemanio ya ajumbe a ciama cia ODM na Jubilee muthia-ini wa kiumia githiru, na kuria Raila ayukirio ni kiama giake kuhuranira upresident na thengia wa gukorwo miario ya njiriria ya kurehe hamwe ngwataniro cia OKA na Azimio. Kalonzo akiuga ati gukorwo Raila ni etikirire kuyukio guku ni kuonania ni athire mugaro na ngirimiti no.
And NASA of course is dead, but this is a matter between two principles, principle Q and principle H. But based on the timing, I urge that as we engage in fresh negotiations, this document forms the basis of such negotiation.
President Uhuru Kenyatta akoretwo akionania dalili cia kunyita Raila mbaru githurano-ini kinene kia mweri wa kanana, ona gutuika akiaria mucemanio-ini wa Jubilee. President ndaumukanirie no angienda rirukie bendera ya Azimio OKA gatagati ka Raila na Kalonzo, undu uria watigire nganja ya kana kuri na thigithigi wa kuiguanira no ukarirukia bendera.
Wamesema wanataka kulete jina la Raila Amolo Odinga, ni sawa? Wiper wanasema wanataka kutuletea jina la Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, si ni sawa? Si sasa tukiingiana pamoja tutaenda kuchambua, tutoe ndume moja ya kwenda kupigana na wale wakora upande ule mwingine na tufagie dunia.
My brother Uhuru Kenyatta in his personal capacity can endorse, but wouldn't you think the most important endorsement would have been that of the delegates conference, just like Raila was endorsed by ODM?
Kwigiritania gwa Kalonzo na ngirimiti no gukite thutha wake gukorwo akionekana ta atakinyaniirie itua ria kuingira Azimio, no ningi murugamo wake uronekana ta ukurugania ngwataniro ya OKA, na kwa muiano kiama kia NAK Kenya gikianjiriria kuonekana kwigucia kuheana itua ria kana nigikwandikanira ngirimiti thiini wa OKA. Kalonzo akiuga ati ona matigwika micemanio ya hamwe na Azimio.
The NEC needs more time to familiarize and scrutinize the coalition agreement and related documentation.
I'm not attending Nakuru, but that does not mean I will not attend. Once we are all in agreement, we shall move.
Kalonzo ni andikithitie president atongoria miaria ya kuiguanira wigi ngirimiti ino, no kiuria kinene ni gia kana Kalonzo ni ahariirie kungikinya Raila ni arega kumithingata.
My friend has the option to abide by his own signed commitment, or he says no.
Murugamo uyu mweru wa Kalonzo ni uronekana to kuligisha mubango wa kugeria guthondeka ngwataniro ya Azimio OKA, no ria miario iguthie na mbere gatagati ka atongoria aya eri nio ikuheana mbica ya netia uteti ulicoka guikara thutha-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.